Hi, this is Pixie. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this umbrella charm using the silicone mold that came with the Sophie and Toffee December subscription box. I'm going to start with the umbrella handle by mixing a small amount of UV resin with a tiny drop of red dye. Using a toothpick, I carefully filled the mold with the resin. After curing, I coat one side of the handle with more resin. Now that it's done curing, you can just pop it out of the mold, and we have a finished handle for umbrella. If there's any excess resin around the edges, you can just trim that off with a pair of small scissors, but this one looks alright. Now it's time to start on the top part of the umbrella. And again, I'm going to add just a little bit of red dye. Now that that's mixed, I'm going to add some glitter. Once all your resin is mixed up, you'll pour it into the mold. You'll want to fill the mold close to the top, but leave a little bit of room for the second part of the mold so that you won't have too much resin spill out. Now I'll cover the mold so that the resin won't cure while I wait for the bubbles to rise to the top. Here I'm just using something I have on hand. Now after most of the bubbles are gone, you can add the top part of the mold. You want to make sure that you cure both sides of the mold with your light. After getting it out of the mold, you may have some excess resin around the edges where it spilled out. You can just take a small pair of scissors and trim it off. If after trimming you have rough edges, you can take a file or some sandpaper and sand the edges smooth. Place a drop of UV resin inside the umbrella, and while holding the handle straight and centered, cure the resin. Now this could be finished, but I want to hang it. So in order to do that, I'm going to need a screw eye and a bead. I use a drop of UV resin to adhere the screw eye and bead together and to the top of the umbrella. I added my charm to a cell phone strap, but you could add yours to a necklace or a keychain. I hope you found this video helpful and that you have fun with your project. Thanks for watching. Bye!